Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, iPod adapter, premium sound system, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2014 INFINITI Q50. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, touch-sensitive controls, one-touch windows, 4-door courtesy lights, tachometer. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of Infiniti's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive.